Welcome to Tuinmaximaal's information video about Gumax sun shading. Gumax sun shading is the ultimate solution to lower the temperature under your veranda on sunny days. This is because the sun shading screen reflects 73% of visible light and as much as 89% of heat radiation. This immediately reduces the temperature, allowing you to sit comfortably under your veranda again. The sun shading screen is installed under the veranda between the beams. The sun shading folds in and out effortlessly and is stored compactly and out of sight. Due to the position of sun shading underneath the roof panels and the material of the screen, the system is very easy to maintain. Sun shading underneath the roof are easy to maintain as the screen does not come into direct contact with rain, wind, and dirt. Unlike other types of sun shading, the specially developed heat-reflective fabric keeps the heat out. So, it does more than just create shade. The white screen with silver glow is made of a durable type of plastic interwoven with aluminium threads. At the top, the screen reflects heat radiation, so you can sit under the veranda considerably cooler than with a standard type of sun shading with a canvas screen, for example. Gumax sun shading can be adjusted to any position. The system consists of several lanes, each of which can be operated separately or collectively with the remote control. Do you want to stop the sun shading halfway down your veranda, for example? You can. Simply click the middle button and the screen will stop unfolding at the desired position. This allows you to create shade and cooling in the desired areas under your veranda. In summary, these are the benefits of Gumax sun shading. You have low maintenance as there is no direct contact with wind or rain and dirt from above. Thanks to the unique reflective screen, which reflects most of the heat radiation, it is significantly cooler under your veranda. The system folds and unfolds effortlessly and stores compactly. You can easily operate the electric system with the rechargeable remote control. And finally, Gumax sun shading is very user-friendly. The system is easy to assemble. In addition, each strip can be individually controlled and stopped at any position. Gumax sun shading is available for all standard sizes of Gumax verandas. With Gumax verandas, the space between the beams is 940 millimeters. Do you have a veranda from another brand? Even then, it is possible to fit Gumax sun shading, so long as the space between the beams is between 936 and 950 millimeters. Gumax sun shading is available for verandas with depths of 2 meters and 50 centimeters, 3 meters, 3 meters and 50 centimeters, and 4 meters. Gumax sun shading is available in the standard profile colors: matte anthracite, RAL 7016, and matte white, 9016. The shading system is supplied complete as a kit, including assembly instructions. As a result, assembly is easy and quick at an average of 30 minutes per strip. An assembly video is also available, explaining the assembly step by step using animations. This video can be found on our website and on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Do you have any questions following this video? If so, you can reach our customer service by phone or email 365 days a year.